Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this really good looking banana graphic. So let's start over on a new canvas, and what we'll do first, we'll go over to Elements and let's search for banana. Let's go to Photos and let's select this image here. Hit Background Remove. And let's just resize the handles, holding down the Alt button on your keyboard when you do this. And then we can maximize this to the dimensions of your canvas. Okay, so let's now go to Apps. And we're going to search up for an app called Typecraft. Select the app. And now from here, let's type in the word banana in capitals. We're going to find a font called Anton. And we're going to change the color to white. Now on the bottom left here, we're going to make some adjustments using these anchor points or grab handles, I'm not sure what they're called. And let's get it to roughly the shape of the banana. And scroll down and we're going to hit Add Element to Design. Okay, so we'll move this element into position. We'll resize it a little bit again. Remember to click the Alt button when you're resizing. That helps to keep the aspect ratio the same. So now that we've put this in place, let's make some other adjustments so that we're roughly trying to get to the shape of the banana. Hit Update Element. And you can see we're getting closer. Keep going until you're happy with the layout. Okay, once you're happy with the layout, then duplicate the page and on your second page, delete the banana image. Now, let's scroll up to Elements and find a square shape. Extend the square shape, or extends the shape until it's roughly the size of the banana. Change the color to black. And then go to Position and send this to back. Expand the shape so that banana can be clearly seen. And then what we want to do is download the image as a PNG. You can see I've done this before a couple of times, but let's move our downloaded PNG back into Canva. Let's delete our second page here. Go back to our first page, find our upload, but before we move that onto our canvas, let's delete the original shape and then let's drag this across. Now if you hover over the edge, you'll see that that snaps into place, and all we now have to do is hit Background Remove and then let's go to Edit, click Duotone, select Cherry, change both of the colors to white, and then the only thing left to do is adjust the left and right handles of the frame, and there There you go. That's your banana graphic design. One more step for aesthetics is let's search elements for shadow. Go to graphics. Find a shadow that you'd like to use. There we go, let's use this one. Size this down. Put this into position. I'll size it down a little bit more. There we go. That's your graphic design. Thanks for watching.